Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, we have one freebie for the week of April the 6th to the 12th over at Walgreens, and that is pretty exciting to get a free item, and we're going to talk about that in a quick second. On Wednesday morning, I received this, which is a 4-back when you buy 2 selected P&G dental care products, and it starts on the 6th right till the 12th, and it's typically a one-time use, and this one is online only. Update on the ice storm that I'm living in right now. We have no update other than they're anticipating everything will get fixed possibly within a week, possibly in a month. So, good thought and good vibes sent my way would really, really go big, guys. It's just frustrating to have no power. Living off of a generator and bottled water is just quite challenging, but we're making the best, and hopefully I can get this video uploaded. If you could also please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful, just to ensure that it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia, where I currently live now. Everything is like covered in ice. And one day I will make a video, just not right now, because it's kind of challenging to get the photos uploaded when I'm doing a voiceover at home. So if we could do me a huge favor, and please treat this video as a preview as well. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, April the 6th. So just be mindful of that. We're just talking about deals that will go, that will start on the 6th, but we're just kind of like, it's a preview. So the first deal we're going to talk about is the freebie. We're looking for the Colgate Dental Care for $4.50. $5 reward when you buy 2, and I believe that's going to be a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So all of these deals obviously are in store. So 2 of those dental care products is $9. Subtracting that digital coupon that we'll be able to load on Sunday, we're going to pay $5 and then get back a $5 register reward, making both of them free. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this with no booster. The next super duper deal that we have is with the Garnier. It's looking like the Fructis and the whole blend, and I'm hoping that we're getting digital coupons for both, because who doesn't like to stock up on these wonderful hair care products? So just to run through this deal really quickly, grabbing 2 of the Garnier products for $8, either the whole blends or the Fructis you pick, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per product. And we'll have to see, does whole blends and Fructis, are they going to be combined, or is it going to be 2 separate coupons? Wouldn't that be nice? And if you want to do the deal twice, 2 separate transactions, so the register reward will print twice. And if you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. Next deal that we're looking at is the Crest Oral-B Burt's Bees dental care products at $4 a pop, 3 off 2 digital, $4 reward when you purchase 2. Again, we're in store because this is a register reward deal. Grabbing 2 Crests for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, it's okay to use the Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. Now this one, with the Olay and Old Spice, I know that Old Spice had a rebate on IBOTTA. Is it still there? Yes or no? We're going to have to check. But they're going to be $13 for these fanciers. Spend $20 to earn back a $5 reward, and there's a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So again, in store, grabbing 2 fancies for $26, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or 7 per unit. And of course, check your IBOTTA if there might be a rebate. As the deal says, spend $20 to earn back $5. Pay the balance with your debit card, so there is no trouble. Do not use Walgreens cash because the word spend is there. Now we're looking at the Pantene at $5, a $3 reward when you purchase 2, and a $3 off coupon. So I'm hoping that that's a 3 off a 2 or a 3 off a 1 maybe. So grabbing 2 of the shampoos for $10, subtracting our digital coupon, we're going to have to double, triple check what that $3 is on Sunday morning. If it's a 3 off a 2, you'd pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this with no booster. This deal is back, which is really fantastic. We're probably going to grab a $9.99 Chic Ladies razor and then the refill for $14.99. It's a $10 reward when you spend $20. This is not CVS, so you can't grab 2 items for $9.99. You have to be over that $20 threshold. So grabbing one of the razors and then one of the refills for $14.99, that's $24.98. Subtracting 2 $3 digitals, you'll pay $18.98 with your debit card. As the verbiage is spend 20 to earn back 10. Just remember that, because sometimes with these spend offers, when the word spend is there, it can be very tricky where the register reward might not print. It may print. So just be mindful of that, guys. If you see other people using Walgreens cash and it's printing, that's a different story. But just to be safe, I would pay the $18.98 with your debit card, credit card, or cash bills, your choice. We have the Gain products at $5.49, $5 reward when you purchase 4 with dollar digital coupons. Grabbing a mix of like a detergent, a pod, a fabric softener, the dryer sheets, 4 of them for $21.96, and hopefully we have dollar coupons for all of them. You would pay $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per Gain product, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay the balance to earn your $5 register reward. I love this deal. 2 for $9 for these 6 counts of the Angel Soft, $3 register reward when you purchase 3 with the $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these packs, it's going to be $13.50. Subtracting that $1.50 off of 3, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 for a pack of 6 really nice toilet paper if you like the fancier stuff. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Alternatively, if you can track down the 16 pack, it's going to be $10.99. It's usually like $14.99 for those really large Angel Softs. We have a $1 digital coupon. It's going to make this $9.99. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it and get a really nice toilet paper. We also have this deal, the $3.99 Snuggle with the $1 digital coupon. So it's going to drop it down to $2.99. I would double, triple check your IBOTTA in case there might be a rebate for either this or the dryer sheets. Let's jump right into the honorable mentions. The first one goes to the 2 for $5 Walgreens brand aluminum foil. I believe this is one product that is going to be jumping really high in price in the next couple of months, so $2.50 is not a bad stock up price. 4 for $10 for the second tier Tide, Gain, P&G laundry care products. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash you want to use or a register reward, by all means make it happen. And 2 for $5 with the Cheerios Cinnamon Toast Crunch General Mills cereal. Check IBOTTA, and if there's any digital coupons on Sunday morning for these, wouldn't that be nice to get them really cheap? We'll have to investigate that. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.